With these two paper dolls, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I paint her face. Acrylic, unbleached titanium, and covered it first. So I take this Distress Oxide and I'll go ahead and color their hair with it. So that's how I'll paint the hair. Go around, finish it up, and then I'll glue it on her face. I'll use the black for her eyes, and I'll go ahead and spray this with the oxide, and then glue everything down and show you what it looks like. So here's the first finished journal tag, 1 of 4. Put a little flower for her dress, a key for his cane. Some people don't like this type of art, it's not their cup of tea, but I think it's pretty interesting and cool, and I hope you like it too. Hope you come back for the next tag I make, and share. Be crafty, stay creative until the next time I see you with another video. So does Creative Corner saying bye for now.